Right, so this is a short video that shows you how to use your EarPods headphone plug with an adapter. So this is an EarPod with a 3.5mm headphone plug that's used on the iPhone 6, on the iPhone 5, the SE, 6S, 5S, and 5C. And this wouldn't fit the iPhone 11 because they've got different jacks, so you can see the comparisons. That's for the iPhone 11, so that wouldn't fit in. But not to worry, we can still make it work by using the Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. So with this adapter, all we need to do is to get it out the casing and plug it straight into the 3.5mm headphone plug, which I will be demonstrating in a minute. So all you need to do is to get the male and plug in the female adapter into the male. And by virtue of combining both mating parts, we've formed or given ourselves the lightning headphone jack feature, which would plug in perfectly into the iPhone 11. So this retrofit modification is all you'd need if you're struggling to get the 3.5mm headphone plug into your iPhone 11 port. So the adapter is basically a device that lets you connect devices that use a 3.5mm audio plug to your Lightning devices. Okay. Comes in a compact packaging, it's quite sturdy. I wouldn't advocate that you get a cheap one off the market. It's always advisable to go on, the Apple website to purchase an original adapter for longevity and shelf life. This adapter is compatible with the iPhone, the iPad, the iPod models, and for the iPhones more specifically, it's compatible with the iPhone 13, iPhone 12, iPhone 11, SE, XS, XR, X, 8, 7, 6, and 5. And for the 13, it's the Pro Max, the Pro, the Mini, same as the 12, same as the 11. And for the iPhone XS, the XS Max, and for the iPhone 8, the Plus, 7 Plus, and the 6S, 6S Plus, and 5, 5S, and 5C, and the iPhone SE first generation. Right, so if you found the information in this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It helps the channel grow. Hopefully, catch up with you as soon as I've got more upcoming videos. Goodbye.